Let's prepare chicken drumsticks. This was so nice. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena. Welcome back to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Trust me, you will love it here. So please do not forget to subscribe for more videos. It is absolutely free. Thank you so much for your time. My returning subscribers, thank you so much for always spending some time with me here. I'm so grateful. Like I said earlier, we are preparing chicken, so let's get into it. I have with me here my chicken drumsticks, well cleaned. Okay, have cleaned it already, and I will just go ahead and attend to it. So I have my paper towel ready. I just want the chicken drumsticks to become very dry, so I will use it to wipe the liquid from it and then to become dry, and we will proceed with the recipe. Thank you so much once again, and if I raise my voice, please forgive me because the background is very noisy, so I am trying to overcome the noise in the background. Hey, it's not you. Yes, I just realized that today is 29th of November and I have not done any voiceover to put on private. Meanwhile, I have to do some of the vlogmas, so my like I need to do something. So I've added my pepper, ginger, garlic, and I will just rub it on the chicken and then make sure I massage it very well before I add any other ingredients to it. Now I'll go ahead and then add some garlic olive oil. Okay, so it is olive oil that with garlic. That is what I've added to it. I just want to get some flavor in there, and then we are okay. So just watch the screen and then see what I am doing, and I believe this will be very helpful for you. So I just want to remind you again that if you've watched me to this point, it means you like the video. So kindly like the video, share to others, leave me your comments in the comment section, and that will be very helpful. And thank you so much for doing it. I've added some salt to it. I will go ahead and then massage the chicken again before I add any other things. You can as well add all your ingredients or combine all your ingredients before you add it to the chicken. Okay, and trust me, that is easier than adding it to it bit by bit. I have with me here my all-purpose seasoning, that is natural spice and herbs blend. Okay, I love natural herbs and spices. Okay, so that is what I've added to the chicken. I will massage it for some time and then allow the season to penetrate very well. Use any season of your choice and you are good to go. Okay, use any season of your choice, any your favorite season, and trust me, it will taste good. Sometimes you do not need a particular season for a particular thing. If you season it very well, trust me, it will taste good. So use any seasoning of your choice and thank me later. Now with this chicken, I do not add a lot of pepper to it. Yes, just small pepper, because the one who is going to enjoy this does not want pepper. Okay, and if you know, you know, the person wants it like very sweet. If it is not honey, it's something else. If you know, you know what I'm talking about. So I just added some barbecue sauce to it, and trust me, they loved it. They loved it too. Yes, I did this and then added it to it and then sent to them. Trust me, they loved it. Yes, so I am doing it this way. Forgive me if you are Ghanaian or African and then you don't want the barbecue sauce, but trust me, they want it this way. And if you know, you know. I just don't want to talk much about it. Okay, I've added some of the olive oil to it again, and I know I'm going to extract all those oils, so don't worry about it that why are you adding oil again. I will just bring everything out because I'm going to grill it. I'm not going to fry it. Okay, now I am done. I waited for some time, and then now I have my chicken on my rack. I'm just going to put this in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit till it is ready. Do not forget to add your black pepper. Okay, it also adds some taste and flavor to the chicken. And I'm just going to show you the outcome. It will wow you. Just look at that. That looks very juicy and delicious. I wasn't surprised when I was told they conquered everything. I mean, they finished everything. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next upload. Bye bye.